Hi preps! Today, because we don't have any mini lessons, you have a bit of a free writing session. So I'm going to show you something that you can do. It is up to you if you want to do it or not. But you can do other things like go on the high frequency word app, or you might want to go on the Victorian cursive app and practice your handwriting and writing some words. There's Tilly. Otherwise, I'm going to show you how to create your very own ebook, and I have already made my own to show you, so I'll show you how to do it. You need this app here. It's called Book Creator, and it is part of our app list, so you need to go into there. I'm going to press on New Book, and I have picked this one here, but you can pick whichever one you want. Alright, so everything you need to do is all happens from this plus button, which is super easy. And I have picked to do a pen, but you can also type, so it's up to you. Now my book is going to be all about Tilly. I'm going to add a photo of her. So it's very easy to use. You can pinch it to make it smaller by using the corners, and you just drag it to where you want it to be. This makes you go to your next page. Again, I'm going to add a photo. So your book could be about your family. It could be about it could be what you've been doing. It could be what you did on the weekend. I'm going to add text, but this time I'm going to type. So this is Tilly. And I hit done. Now I decided, and you can move it anywhere you want it to go. I'm going to add a bit more. She is a miniature Groodle. Oops, I'm going to go back and change it. And she is 6 months old. Done. So new page. Again, add a photo. Now if you press this I button, you can change your background. So once I've got all my pictures in, I'm going to have a play around with the background. So here's Tilly and Molly. They're my next page. I'm going to write with the pen this time. So this is her best friend, Molly. So I'm going to go again, new page. Alright, so that's how I started to make it. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you finish. So this is my book now that it's finished, and you can even record your voice reading the book. So you could make the book and you can read it to someone, and you can record your voice reading it. So let's have a look. Change the background colour to pink. So this is Tilly. She's a miniature Groodle. She's 6 months old. This is her best friend, Molly. Walks along the beach. So that's where hang on. So this is how I recorded it. This is Tilly as a puppy. She is always asleep. And my last page is I love her. So if you're feeling a little bit creative, that's something that you can do today, is you can make your own book. It could be about your pet. Oh, I think I just muted myself. It could be about your favourite sport, and you could ask your parents to help get some photos off the internet, or you can just go around the house and take photos of things that you can see around the house and write about it. Enjoy. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'm sure you will as well. And you could probably upload and share your books you could send it to your grandma. You might be able to send it to your brother or your sister, or you could send it to your teacher. I'm sure we would love to see the books that you create. All right, have fun.